The Toyota Grand Highlander offers spacious interior and third row seating for the whole family. But when you want to maximize your passenger count, cargo room drops to just over 20 cubic feet behind that third row. Attempting to fit luggage, camping gear, or e-bikes into what's left means fighting a losing game of cargo Tetris before every trip. This EcoHitch helps mitigate that struggle, moving those bulky items to the rear outside so you can easily haul a full vehicle of passengers and all your equipment without compromise. Using precision 3D scanning, our team engineered a hitch that features a completely concealed hidden design. The cross tube stays tucked 100% out of sight behind the bumper, leaving only the standard 2-inch receiver visible to maximize your ground clearance. This hitch features our patent-pending stainless steel receiver that completely resists against rust and corrosion, no matter the climate or adventure you find yourself on. Unlike bulky roof racks that catch the wind and drain your fuel efficiency, moving your gear to the rear protects your aerodynamics and cuts down on the road noise. With an estimated 750 pounds of tongue weight and 5,000 pounds of towing capacity, it's fully e-bike rated and built to securely handle multiple heavy electric bikes, cargo carriers, or a small family trailer. Final weight ratings will be posted to our website once our in-house engineers are done doing their testing. And the best part, the installation is straightforward. There's no cutting, no guesswork, and no fabrication required. Whether you own your vehicle or you are leasing your vehicle, this is a perfect hitch solution for you, and it's 100% DIY friendly. Plus, it's completely sensor safe, so your hands-free power tailgate kick sensors and your Toyota Safety Sense rear cameras will still work just like they did from the factory. This hitch is available to order now, so be sure to either give us a call or visit our website to get your hands on this EcoHitch today.